Hey guys, TechMaster here, and today I'll be showing you how to recover your Wi-Fi password if you forgot what it was and you don't know where to find it. And this will only work if your laptop Windows is running on your Wi-Fi. So it has to be running on your Wi-Fi. So first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, which I am right here. Mine is TP-Link. It says connected. And now I have to open to find out what the password is. I have to open control panel. Right, now you go to network and internet. And after that you click the very top one, network and sharing center. And you connect. There should be view your active networks. This should be the name of your Wi-Fi, and then over here should say Wi-Fi and then your Wi-Fi name next to it. You need to click on that, and now this little pop-up will come up, and this basically tells you the speed and all that, but that's not what we're here for. We need the password, right? So we go into wireless properties, and then you're gonna click security here, right? And this is your password, which is network security key. And once you press show characters, your password will be right there. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how easy it is to find out what your password is if you have, say, lost it or anything like that. So yeah, I won't be clicking on it since this is my actual password, but if you do click on it, um it will show you your password in normal text, and you can copy it or whatever you need to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. If this helped you, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.